Welcome to Wisely Wise online workshop series, Artificial Intelligence workshop conducted virtually for Leela Poonawalla Foundation. Wisely Wise has introduced online workshops for students to get them started in their AI learning journey. Here is a glimpse into our Artificial Intelligence online workshop conducted for students of Leela Poonawalla Foundation. The 2 days journey was designed to give them exposure to creative computing, critical thinking, and problem solving. Students also got an idea of mathematical and computational thinking. Here's a glimpse of all the learning, fun, and games that followed. Day 1 we started with Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, why lifelong learning of AI and the future is artificial intelligence. To explain the AI concepts we used many different activities. Millions of photos have already been preloaded into the machine. When someone tries to draw a shape, the machine starts guessing what the shape is from those millions of photos and keeps learning at the same time. All students were given access to the Artificial Intelligence course on Wise Central, our AI education platform. And we did walkthrough of AI for classes 9 to 12. And the other day the students learned about Alexa. What is Alexa? How does Alexa work? What is its use? And finally, learn how to make their own Alexa skills. And after that, how did they find this workshop and express their response about it?
Everybody, and I like to thank Chandra Kumar sir and everyone who took so much effort to teach us these new things. And as I'm from computer application field, I like computers and I like coding. So this was very helpful for me. I wanted to learn and get to know more about artificial intelligence, and I'm thinking to take up this as my career in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. I really appreciated, it was amazing session. The sir and all the ma'ams, everybody, they taught us everything from basic, and I didn't know all this before. And it was great learning artificial intelligence, and I'm sure that it will help us in future as well, wherever we work, and it has a great impact. I'm very happy and very excited to do this course.
Days were the best. I mean, the trainings were very helpful for us. And on the first day, we learned about the basic knowledge about artificial intelligence, about machine learning, about how we train machines, how the machines detect us, like computer vision, and then machine training, then how machines are useful for us, and artificial intelligence will be informed in the future, I mean. And on the next day, we learned about coding Python, how to hand on an Alexa, and it was great. It was fun, and then we played a quiz. In that, we tested our knowledge, and it was really fun. After that, we created a blueprint in our skill, and that in the training was coding Python, and then learning about the machine, different kind of machines.
Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for your efforts. The team was a very great team with us, who cleared all our doubts very nicely. We learned with many new things which we are unknown.
It was very nice sessions. 2 days we enjoyed a lot, and we learned more about artificial intelligence, robotics, Python, etc. The quiz was very nice, and we enjoyed a lot.
Good evening all. A huge thank you to Wisely Wise company to giving us this opportunity to learn about AI. We learned from basic about AI. The team was very perfect because Saundarya ma'am and Satya sir, they are clear our concepts from basic. And a special thank you to Chandra Kumar sir because they gave us their precious time. They also joined with us today. I would like to say thank you, Hamsa ma'am also, because sometimes they also join with us. Thank you very much for all.
Wisely Wise conducted 2 days workshop for our girls studying in 11th and 12th standard on artificial intelligence. These girls belong to socially and economically deprived families, so they had heard about artificial intelligence but they were not knowing details about it, or they were not able to understand the technology behind artificial intelligence. During this workshop, trainers explained the technology very well. They introduced the concept to girls. They made them go through the practical sessions and experience artificial intelligence work in their daily life. Girls liked the workshop very much, and they are very enthusiastic to do this 1 month, to do their 1 month training modules and learn more details and in depth about artificial intelligence. So girls shared their feedback that they loved Alexa, and they can make use of Alexa in their time management, schedules and reminder settings, and also they can make use of Alexa as an assistant during their presentations of projects in their college. So this program was very good for them, and girls loved to attend it and enthusiastically completing the course online in this 1 month's time. I take this opportunity to thank you Wisely Wise to conduct these sessions for our girls. Special thanks to Hansa, our Leela fellow, and the team, Mr. Chandra and other people who supported.
I am sure you all would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.